Hello and welcome to K1 Take Care. I want to show you how we have sold many of them in our website, and the people are asking the language is still in the Chinese. Is the RELIFE XA3 Pro, measuring the ampere, voltage, watt. It's a small device, it's handy to have. We are using our shop as well. Input and output, voltage, ampere. It's good to have. I'm going to show you how to change the language in this device. You can purchase it on our eBay shop, on our website, up to you honestly. But what you will get with this one, you will get honestly the main device. You will get that device. Let me zoom it in to make it better viewing. So you will get this device. You have different input. You have type C in, out, macro type C, changed in the mode, settings, input, output. You will get short instruction as well, the QR code, operation video, how to show the video. If you are holding in the screen, that you can scan it if you want to. This is a short video is to do it. That is the certificate. That is the prop. This is a real RELIFE. It's not copy one. It's come from the RELIFE directly. So let to show you how it works. And so you have to have an input. It's not built battery in. So you connected the type C. In that case, I can connect the type C here or plug to the USB, whatever which one I want. I'm going to connect type C. So when you connect it into, this start to turn on. To firstly, this is what mainly we got question send it to us. If you want to change the language, this button there, press and hold it. One second, press and hold it, and you can see, and so I have changed it. Let me put it back to the Chinese. Then you receive it, it is in the Chinese. Okay, so when you receive it is like that. You have different mode. Honestly, press the button on the top, right, left, you get different mode, output. So when you receiving it, you got in the Chinese language. What you wanted to change it, press this button here and press and hold it to see the menu. With this arrow, go to, it looks like a globe there. Press this button to confirm. Change it to the English, confirm, and you can see it's changed to the English now. Alright, and honestly you can factory reset it, and when you want to go back, just press this button again and you go back mode. And it just to show you short example. If I connect something into, we connected my Bosch screwdriver into, let me find it. Yeah, I'm going to connect it here. Output, input, output. You got the writing on the side anyway. Output, and connect the type C here, and it's telling me how many ampere, how many watts, voltage, input, output. Or you can use, if you don't have the type C or any other one, you can use normal USB and plug in the back and in the source, and you got the same reading again. So you have different option to use it that you can see there, and you have different here as well. Okay, I hope this video answer your question how to change the language. However, if you have any other question, please drop me a message. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching and keep safe.